Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tap when playing the acoustic guitar. This will be an easy guitar tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into this video. I'm actually going to place my phone down just over here, and I'm going to show you my method for tapping. Now, tapping is a really cool thing to do. It allows you to sound a lot better than you actually are. You might be a good guitar player, but when you tap, you can sound a lot better, okay? Now, the tapping that I'm talking about is the kind where you're playing a note like that. Very simple. So let's imagine you're playing a note over here. Sorry, the guitar strap is not on this guitar right now, so you're just going to have to bear with me. So you're playing a note. Very simple. Okay, now how do you do it? Well, first and foremost, you want to make sure that you are tapping whenever you have paused the ringing sound of the guitar. So I'm not going to let it ring. Doesn't sound right, right? No, doesn't sound right. So you're going to play the sound, and immediately you're going to mute the strings with your hand and tap. And as you can see, I am simultaneously muting the strings, whatever chord, whatever sound I'm playing, whatever note I'm playing, or notes, and I am tapping. And when I tap, it holds the mute on the strings. Very easy to do. I know there's another version of tapping, which is like, I think when you press the string and it, and it plays a sound, like you're playing like this essentially. I know that's another version of tapping, and that is super advanced. This is a beginner tutorial about tapping, which the beginner version is going to be. Very simple. Now, I do apologize for the simple fact that this doesn't have a strap, so I've kind of just been playing a little bit weirdly, and I can barely play any chords at all because of the positioning. I'm a little bit rusty on the guitar. I played a little bit as a kid. I knew, the basic chords, and then I haven't played in a while. But yeah, that's how to tap when playing the acoustic guitar. An easy guitar tutorial for absolute beginners. It'll make you sound so much better than you are. If you're a beginner, you can just incorporate tapping, and you can sound that much better. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.